This is the story of a boy named Tom. Tom was a lazy boy. He did not like to work. He always said, "I will do it later." Tom lived with his mother and father. His mother was kind. His father was hardworking. Every day, his mother said, "Tom, please clean your room." Tom said, "Not now. I will do it later." But later never came. His room was always dirty. Toys were on the floor. Books were everywhere. Tom went to school every day, but he did not listen in class. The teacher said, "Tom, read this lesson." Tom said, "I will read it later." He did not do homework. He did not study. Tom had a friend named Sam. Sam was a good boy. Sam worked hard every day. He listened to the teacher. He did all his homework. After school, Tom played games. He watched TV. He slept for long hours. His father said, "Tom, use your time well." But Tom did not listen. He said, "I have time. I will do it later." One day, the teacher said, "There will be a big test next week." All students started to study. Sam studied every day. But Tom said, "I will study tomorrow." Tomorrow came, but Tom played again. Day after day, Tom did nothing. Finally, the test day came. Tom sat in the classroom. The teacher gave the question paper. Tom looked at the questions. He did not know the answers. He felt scared. His hands were shaking. He said softly, "I don't know this." Sam was writing fast. Other students were writing too. But Tom could not write anything. After a few days, results came. The teacher called names. "Sam, very good." Sam was happy. Then the teacher said, "Tom, very poor." Tom felt very sad. He looked down. His friends looked at him. He felt ashamed. Tom went home slowly. His mother asked, "What happened, Tom?" Tom said, "I failed. I did not study." His father said, "This is because of laziness." Tom started to cry. He said, "I always said later. Now I understand. I was wrong." The next day, Tom woke up early. He cleaned his room. He arranged his books. His mother smiled. "Good job, Tom." Tom sat down and started to study. At first, it was hard, but he did not stop. Day by day, Tom changed. He listened in class. He did his homework. He studied every day. When he felt lazy, he told himself, "No, I will do it now." Sam saw the change. He said, "Good, Tom. Keep going." Another test came. This time, Tom was ready. He wrote all the answers. He felt confident. After a few days, the results came. The teacher called his name. "Tom, good work." Tom smiled. His parents were proud. Tom was not lazy anymore. He learned an important lesson. He said, "Never say later. Do your work now." Moral of the story is, laziness brings failure. Hard work brings success. Do your work on time.